I'm making another video of my Packard at idle. I just found that my coil wire, believe it or not, going into the coil was a little bit loose. It was sticking out a little bit. And so I just plugged it all the way in. And she was idling well before, but she had a intermittent, very slight irregularity miss. So you can see the difference now. It's extremely smooth. I mean, my gosh, this car is incredible. Again, I am so pleased with this car. I just had it out this morning and filled it up with gas at Bruno's. You know, that's the gas station that doesn't have ethanol fuel. So I just went over there and topped her off. And she's averaging really around town, honestly, about 13 miles to the gallon, which is fantastic, you know. And I leave the overdrive on. So I'm driving around, she's you know, going to overdrive when she's about 26 miles an hour. So that probably saves fuel. And when I drive this car, I drive it with a very light foot. Like they used to say, I drive it with like I think I have an egg underneath my foot on the accelerator pedal. So I'm very gentle with it. No jackrabbit starts, and I don't even downshift her. You know, I just let her roll. You know, I don't abuse the car whatsoever. I treat it with respect. It deserves it. But it makes a difference because look how beautiful she's running. Again, I got to say, you know, Ross Miller at Speedwell Garage, he did just a terrific job. I'm just constantly telling him how pleased I am. It's probably getting old right now for him, but look at this car run. Isn't this amazing? So, and she's idling really nicely. I have her idling at about, what is she idling at right now? It is sitting at about 700. Okay, come see, come saw. And that's good enough. But that's it. So I know my videos are kind of boring with this car, but I can't help myself. And that's it for now.